How to install the GUI Python library in Visual Studio's Code on Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the GUI library for Windows 11 using the Visual Studio's Code. So if you don't know about the GUI library, then it is a Python library which is used for creating graphical user interfaces or GUIs, and it's a standard library, meaning it's typically included with most Python installations. So no separate installation is usually required, but in your case, if a separate installation is required, I will walk you out through the entire steps of installing the GUI library in your Visual Studio's Code. So in order to start, the first thing that we need to do is open our Visual Studio's Code. So let's open our VS Code, and once the Visual Studio Code launches, the next thing that we will need to do is open up our terminal. So for example, if you do not know how to open the terminal, then to open the terminal, click onto this View tab at the top of your VS Code windows, and then from here simply choose this terminal option and your terminal screen will open up. Now when the terminal screen opens, you need to type in the following command to install the GUI library in your Python in Visual Studio's Code. The command is python-m pip install tk. So this is the exact command that you will need to type into your terminal, and then once you have typed the command, simply hit the enter button, and as here you can see that it is currently installing, and once the installation will be successful, it will give you this message that reads successfully installed tk version 0.1.0. So that means the GUI library has been successfully installed into our system. So if you want to verify the presence of this GUI library into your system, then you have to type this command from the next line of the terminal. The command is python-m pip show tk. So once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it is retrieving me with the name of the library, that is tk, its version as well as the location of this particular library into my system. So that means that this library has been successfully installed into our system. So that's how easily you can install the GUI library for Visual Studio's Code in Windows 11. So if this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments if it worked for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.